I've been using these Inspire Nitrile gloves for the last month, mostly in the kitchen, and honestly, I wasn't expecting much. I've tried cheap disposable gloves before, the ones that tear the second you put them on, or the ones that just feel wrong. These have genuinely made a difference. The first thing I noticed was the stretch. They fit comfortably without feeling too tight, which is crucial when you're chopping vegetables or cleaning up spills. I've used them for everything from prepping chicken to wiping down counters, and they've held up really well. They're made from a robust nitrile, so they don't tear easily, and the ambidextrous design means no fumbling to find the right size. I was surprised by how much dexterity I retained while wearing them. I could still properly grip a knife, which is a huge plus. Compared to some of the higher-end medical-grade nitrile gloves I've seen, which can cost around $80 for a box of 100, these are a seriously good value. The only minor thing I've noticed is that they can get a little slick when they get wet. A quick wipe with a damp cloth fixes that instantly. But honestly, for the price and the performance, it's a fantastic buy. I've been using them for a couple of weeks now, and they've completely streamlined my cleaning routine. They're sturdy, comfortable, and exactly what I needed. They've significantly reduced my anxiety about handling raw meat, and I feel much more confident in the kitchen. It's a small investment that's provided a noticeable improvement. Picture this. It's a Saturday morning, you've just finished making a big batch of pancakes, and the kitchen is a bit of a mess. You reach for a pair of these gloves, and they fit perfectly. You confidently tackle the sticky batter, wipe down the counters, and clean up any spills, knowing you have a reliable barrier between your hands and the mess. There's no struggling with ill-fitting gloves, no worrying about them tearing, just smooth, efficient cleaning. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference to the whole experience. These gloves have truly simplified my life in the kitchen. They're a durable, comfortable, and effective solution for a variety of tasks. I can't recommend them enough. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.